In 2012, a single contamination event in a pharmaceutical factory's air system led to a nationwide outbreak, costing millions and affecting thousands. This incident was a wake-up call for the entire industry, highlighting just how critical air quality is in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It showed that even the smallest lapse in environmental control can have devastating consequences, not just for the company, but for public health on a national scale. In pharma, HVAC isn't just about comfort. It's about creating ultra-clean environments where medicines are made safely. These systems are engineered to maintain precise temperature, humidity, and air purity, ensuring that every product is manufactured under the strictest conditions. The HVAC system acts as a fortress, blocking contaminants from people and the outside world, ensuring only pure ingredients go into each drug. It's a complex network of filters, airlocks, and pressure controls, all working together to keep the environment sterile and safe. This meticulous control is a core part of good manufacturing practice, or GMP, because even a tiny air quality slip can ruin a batch. Regulatory agencies demand strict adherence to these standards, making HVAC systems a vital part of compliance and quality assurance. In short, HVAC is the invisible hero, protecting every step of drug manufacturing. Without it, the safety, efficacy, and reliability of life-saving medicines would be impossible to guarantee. Pharmaceutical HVAC systems control 4 key factors: temperature, humidity, air cleanliness, and air pressure. Temperature must be precise, too hot or cold, and drugs degrade or change. Humidity is tightly managed to prevent mold, bacteria, and static electricity. Air cleanliness is achieved with constant filtration, removing even microscopic contaminants. Positive air pressure keeps clean rooms safer by pushing contaminants out whenever doors open. Each pillar works together to create a controlled, contamination-free environment. Without this balance, safe medicine production would be impossible. At the core of every pharmaceutical cleanroom, HVAC system is the Air Handling Unit, or AHU, a sophisticated piece of equipment that acts as the heart and lungs of the entire operation. The AHU precisely heats, cools, and humidifies air, maintaining strict temperature and humidity levels to meet the demanding specifications required for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Next, HEPA filters come into play, capturing an impressive 99.97% of airborne particles as tiny as 0.3 micrometers, much smaller than a human hair or even most bacteria. Stainless steel ducts then channel this ultra-clean air directly into the clean room, while strategically placed return vents efficiently remove used air, preventing contamination. The HVAC system continuously recycles a portion of the air, blends it with a controlled amount of fresh air from outside, and repeats the rigorous filtering process to maintain purity. Every component, from the AHU to the smallest duct joint, must be perfectly sealed and regularly inspected to prevent leaks that could compromise the clean room environment. This continuous, carefully controlled circulation of air is what keeps the environment pristine, ensuring that sensitive products are protected hour after hour, day after day. It's a relentless, highly engineered cycle, one that's absolutely essential for maintaining product safety and meeting the strictest quality standards in the pharmaceutical industry. Airflow patterns matter as much as air quality. Turbulent airflow mixes air to dilute contaminants, good for less critical areas. For sterile drug production, Laminar unidirectional flow is used. Clean air moves in parallel streams, sweeping contaminants away from sensitive products. Laminar flow creates a protective curtain, especially over open vials or during sterile filling. The choice between turbulent and laminar depends on contamination risk. Critical zones always use laminar flow for maximum protection. The right airflow type is essential for both safety and efficiency. When HVAC fails in a pharmaceutical facility, the consequences are enormous. Contaminated batches, millions of dollars lost, and most importantly, patient safety put at risk. The stakes are incredibly high because even a brief lapse in air quality can have far-reaching effects, impacting not just the company, but also the people who rely on these medicines. A single fan or filter failure can allow contaminants to enter, ruining entire batches of life-saving drugs and forcing costly shutdowns. The ripple effect can disrupt supply chains and delay critical treatments for patients in need. Investigations, repairs, and revalidation can halt production for weeks or even months, leading to significant financial losses and operational headaches for everyone involved. Regulators like the FDA scrutinize every HVAC record. Failures can mean recalls or facility shutdowns. Regulatory investigations are thorough and can result in heavy fines or mandatory corrective actions. Reputation damage is lasting. Trust is hard to rebuild. News of a contamination or recall can quickly spread, shaking public confidence and impacting the company's future. That's why pharmaceutical HVAC systems are engineered and maintained with extreme rigor, using strict protocols and regular inspections to prevent even the smallest failure. It's not just a utility, it's the backbone of safe drug manufacturing, ensuring every dose is pure, effective, and safe for patients. Quick quiz. A HEPA filter removes at least 99.97% of particles as small as A. 0.3 millimeters, B. 0.3 micrometers, or C. 0.3 nanometers. Think you know the answer? Let's find out.